Some sad news that this crash happened out of North America. That's when a rock train collided with a crude oil train. At Saturday, April 20th. All the engineers from the train survived, but they were injured. Luckily, nobody else got hurt, but this is a huge mess. According to reports, the westbound engine bailed south of the cab after the rock train collided to the crude oil train. And all the engines were twisted and steel everywhere. It causes the westbound engine was carrying crude oil with 3 locomotives, and the northbound train carrying rocks with 4 locomotives. And the westbound engine hit its brakes, but it was too late, and causes the rock and causes this engine over here to explode. And this engine right here was completely destroyed. It was never rebuilt. But this right here was destroyed, but people think it was going to be a total loss, but they were wrong. It was actually rebuilt and put back into service. Norfolk Southern 4218 was rebuilt. 4950 was rebuilt and put back into service. BNSF 1060 was rebuilt and put back into service. Another BNSF 951 was rebuilt and put back into service. Another BNSF 4050 was rebuilt and put back into service. It's been 5 years until this crash, as one was rebuilt as one engine was scrapped, but the rest of them was rebuilt and put back into service. Also, if you want another one, if you want to see another one just like it, bye. And make sure if you like and subscribe to see another one. See you and goodbye forever. No, I'm just kidding. Ooh.